In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to change default currency here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the button search bar and type for panel. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until you'll get to see a best match, which is a control panel system. And once it's here, please navigate to the right side of that. You can see there an option called open. Click on that one. And eventually you'd be navigated to the control panel window. So first you need to change the view like this. So go with the view by, click on this down arrow key and go with large icons. Once set, you need to locate for region. So here I can see it here being placed at the third column in my case, network next to network and sharing center. So click on that one. The moment you click on it, you would be able to open the region window. Here, you need to navigate to the bottom side of that. You can see there are additional settings. Click on that one. The moment you click on it, you'll be able to see four sections, which are numbers, currency, time, and date. So since we're dealing with the changing of the default currency, then by that we need to proceed to the second section, which is currency. So here you can see there currency symbol. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these two or any of the available. You can have euro, or if you have a pound, you can select it as well. So you can go with dollar sign or euro. Okay. So once you're good with the setting up, you just have to select it first. Let's say, for example, in my case, from dollar to euro. So by that, click on apply and then click on the OK button and click on apply and then click on the OK. Once you're good, you can now close this window and you're good to go. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.